that trade was nervous, but we made $1,910. That's a great result. Yes, finally, we did this trade. Hey guys, and for those that don't know me, my name is Bambita. I'm a binary trader, and Merry Christmas. And today I want to show you a little bit how I trade, because it's already the end of the year. I want to finish the year with a good profit, with a good amount of money. So it's very important for me right now and for everybody else to trade. So if you're interested in trading and you want to start your new year, as we say, the 2024, with good profits and good money, just go down to my Telegram channel. You can talk to me there about trading. I post there a lot of things about trading and it's very interesting. Also, I'll leave you the link for Quotex. So it's the website where I trade. So let's start, guys. Right here we have an optional scale. Is the USD BRL. We have the UD CFH and the UR USD. So right here we have a lot of instruments that we use at Quotex. First is a parabolic car, the second is the movement average, and the third one is down below is the stochastic accelerator. So it's those instruments that help me understand the scales. So right here we can see the optional is made because of the bullish trend and the parabolic car. Right here we can see that it's showing us a signal that's gonna rise, so let's leave for a minute and wait. So right here you can see that the last seconds are going, and as the parabolic car told us, we made a rise, and from $43 we made 81. For the first trade, it's quite a good result, although we're gonna do a lot more trades today and we're gonna see better results. Oh my god, my glasses are going down. So, soap, let's go to ADCFH. So right here is also very interesting. We call the optional is made also due to the bullish trend from the pullback, and the parabolic car signal right here is showing us that, and we can see that by the parabolic it's gonna go also for a rise. So let's leave it for 1 minute and wait. How is it gonna go? So we just changed our investment, and oh my god, it's a bit nervous. Yes. Whew, that trade was a bit nervous, but we made $152. I need to drink, although it's water. And let's go to AUR UAD. Let's see what we have right now. Right here we have actually something interesting. If we see that the option is put in the salt because of the bearish trend and also the parabolic car signal, we can see that it's the green points that are related to the scale. We can see that they're going into fall. So let's leave it as down for 1 minute and let's wait for a minute. So seconds, and we can see that that trade was quite obvious. It's making actually a big fall down, and we made $291. That's a good result. Thank you, Christmas, for the good trades, because I need to buy everybody Christmas present. Let's go to USD BRL. Here, what we see right here, we see the call option is made from the pullback in a bullish trend with the parabolic car, the buying signal that is going into rise. The parabolic car is, I remind you, the green points. So we put it into long. So let's leave it for 1 minute and let's just wait. So guys, I hope you understand how I do those or these trades, and if you have some questions, write me down below in comments, and also duplicate it to me, my private messages on Telegram. And yes, $555. I remind you that we started with like 40 or something like that, so it's a tiny amount of money, and we did already $500. It's not enough for my family Christmas present. I need to buy so many people. I have like 5 friends, my besties who I need to buy gifts, my family. Oh my gosh, I need a lot of money. $500 is not enough for the money. Let's go to AUD Right here we can see that the call option is made to the bullet trend from the zone of support, and we see that it's gonna go into long. So let's leave it for one only minute and wait. So we can see that this trade is actually also going well. It's going into a big, I think, rise. And we made $1,000. That's quite a good result in about 8-10 minutes that we're trading. And that's really, really good. Really, really good. Oh my god. I'm sorry, it's 9 a.m. I'm a bit sleepy. I just woke up. Let's go to USD. So here we can see that the options is in maximize because of the bearish trend from the resistance zone. The resistance zone is 108,399. We can see that that's the resistance zone. Bless me. And we can see that it's going to go as down, 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 down. So let's wait for a minute. So guys, last second, and we can see, as I said, the trend were right. The bearish path showed us and explained us everything, and we made $1,890. That's quite a good result for, I think it's the 5th or 6th trade right now. So I'm pretty happy about. Oh my god. So I need to sleep more. I trade too much. Let's change the timing. Let's put 30 seconds. Let's go to AUD CFH. So here we see that the option is in the bearish chain for the whole situation on the scale. So I like always changing it because it's always different. And it makes our brain think in different ways. That's why I like it. Money, money, money. It's a money in a rich man's world. In a rich woman's world. Let's leave it like that. So let's go to USD/BRL. Here we see that the options, the maximum level and the price in the supplementary zone is the 4.98 and etc. So it's gonna go into a fall. So let's leave it for 1 minute and let's wait. So we can see that this trade is actually going interesting. We put it to lots for $1,000. And we can see that this trade was kind of obvious and it's going for fall because we changed the timing. So if we put a different timing, it would have gone up. So that's why timing, the variance of it really depends on the way that it actually works. So let's go to AGCFH. Right here we can see that is we're gonna put the options for a short. The price is supply zone of moving average and parabolic signal. So let's put 4 trades and let's wait for 30 seconds. And we can see, as I said, what's going on? We made actually a draw right now. We didn't make it fully right, and that's making me nervous because half of them went right, half of them went wrong. Oh my god, I should have left it for a minute. Let's carry on doing it again. Let's leave it for again 30 seconds. So we can see the last seconds and it seems like it's going right. We're hoping that. What? Alright, we did literally everything right. One trade went wrong, but that was kind of weird. It made just a massive jump. Let's leave this one for short. We see the options are bearish, so let's go for a trade again into the moving average. Oh my gosh, it's nervous. And we can see that we made mainly a win. We lost one of the scales. That's kind of a nervous one. I don't like the AUD CFH. Although traders can't always be right, everyone makes mistakes and it's normal for every trader not to be right in every trade. I think that's normal and that's okay for everybody. Let's go for a short. We can see a bearish moment and a big strong candlestick from the supply zone. So let's leave it for 30 seconds and wait. Woo! Woof, that's going well. Please stay there, don't move up, don't move up, please, please. Yes, finally we did this trade, and for this good finish of this trade I want to end this video. So thank you so much guys for watching. Merry Christmas everybody, and I hope by my videos you can see how trading is difficult, that is not as easy as it seems, as it looks. So thank you so much for watching. My Telegram channel will be down below, the link for Quotex for a trade will be also down below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Bambita, bye bye.